Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your location settings on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Scroll down till you find this View Privacy Shortcuts option and click on it. Scroll down till you find this button saying Manage your location settings. Here you should select your location services. So to choose if Facebook receives this device's precise location, go to your device settings. Here you can select from two options. The first one is only while using, so we receive this device's precise location only when you use Facebook, or the other one is never, so the app won't receive the precise location of this device, but they will still use things such as your IP address to estimate your location. Here, if you want to change these options, tap on the to your settings, or go to your settings. Scroll down till you find Facebook. Click on location, and then you should select never, ask next time, or while using the app. So if you go back, you can also read about how does Facebook use location information here. Here you can read about check-ins and ads as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.